From the Garden State, New Jersey, from one mom to another, it's time for Mom's Talk. Here's Avni.
Welcome, Supermoms, to another episode of Mom's Talk. I am your host, Avni, and our today's Supermom guest is joining us from India. Welcoming Ashita Mehta.
Thank you so much, first of all, for inviting me on this platform. And yes, I think we'll be having a wonderful session and time with you.
Absolutely. The pleasure is all mine, Ashita. Let's start off, Ashita. Could you tell us a little bit about your organization?
I'm from Ahmedabad, and we are running a charitable trust in the name of Being Woman. Being Woman is for the woman, of the woman, and by the woman. And it is a registered trust where 65 members are running the entire show. They all are from different fraternities. You can call it there. Some are educators, some are fashion designers, some are even homemaker. But the bottom line is that our goal is same. We believe that we want to do women empowerment. So the whole idea behind starting this trust is that we should help women who are in need and who are looking forward for support, which they are lacking somewhere, and we are there for them. Being a woman, we have started Being Woman. So this is the whole idea and purpose of actually starting Being Woman, to help needy people, underprivileged children, underprivileged girls, and women empowerment is our main motto, and other side activities are always there on the platter.
That's wonderful. Though, are you a big fan, a huge fan of Salman Khan? Where did you get this name from?
I don't know what to say, because see, we actually did a lot of brainstorming for actually giving name to our trust. And it literally took, 1 week time, but somehow it was not clicking anybody. And I don't know, I was just in my bedroom, I was lying down at actually 12:30. I still remember that time, 12:30 midnight. I just thought that as a woman, we started this. किसके लिए किया? Women के लिए किया. और क्यों कर रहे हैं? Women के लिए कर रहे हैं. तो यार हटाओ सब नाम को and Being Woman. So ऐसे हमारे ट्रस्ट का नामकरण हुआ, Being Woman. And luckily everybody loved it. Yes, many times it gets mixed up with Being Human, and then we have to specify, boss, it's Being Woman.
No, but truly it has a very intense meaning. And I think, the characteristics of being a woman is caring for others. That is one of the things that we do very well. And that's exactly what your organization is doing too. So awesome name. Wonderful.
Thank you, Avni. Thank you so much.
So what exactly do you focus on, Ashita, in your organization? You mentioned that you work with young girls. How do you help them?
Okay, that's a very good question, Avni. See, I will just tell you that we just started this organization as a simple group. We never ever thought that we will turn it into a trust. We just wanted to do something for the society. And we came to know that many of our friends are independently, individually helping some or the other people. So we were just having, we just met over a cup of tea and we discussed, and we thought that alone we can do a little, but together we can make a difference. So this idea just popped up in our mind that why not just share this among our groups, our friends, our families, and let's see how many of them, will join us. So it is like that, ke hum akele the aur karwa banta gaya. And we ultimately landed in a beautiful group with beautiful souls with us. And our first activity, I still remember, was distributing food grains in the slum area. We were new babies in this field. We were totally new to this culture. And slowly, gradually, they say that every step is a learning step for you. So we started with the food grain activity. We distributed 100 food grain kits for 1 month to people, 200 families in the slum area of outskirts of Ahmedabad. So from there, we came to know that they are actually in need of footwear. They are in need of clothing. They are in need of education, many such things. So from one activity, we got idea for the second activity. So we started collecting old clothes, footwear. Once people started approaching us, we used to gather it at one place. We used to segregate it age-wise, gender-wise. And many times, if they were not in proper condition, we used to discard it also, because see, whatever distribution you're doing to a human being only. They deserve equal respect. They deserve equal honor. So we used to iron them. We used to just pack it in a gift pack. And then my group used to go with the cars with all the luggage loaded in that. And we started distributing the clothes, footwear to them. Later on, we realized that many girls are not using sanitary pads. So this idea again clicked us that this is the main focus which we should actually undertake as our project. And many times girls wanted, they said that ma'am, हमें कुछ काम दिलवा दो, ma'am, हमें कुछ सीखना है. But the real challenge what we faced was to convince their parents. And this is the best platform that I can tell. I request everybody, I urge everybody, please try to bring this awareness in whatever areas you feel need this attention. So then we approached a company of Rajkot and we tied up with them and they gave us tremendous support and we launched this project in the name of Ek Prayas Jagriti Ki Aur. And Avni, we have adopted 165 girls under the wings of Being Woman. And I'm really very happy to share with you that those girls are so happy and they said that, ma'am, tame pehla kem na avya? Ab pehle kyun nahi aaye? So we said, they said that better late than never. So we said, it's okay, beta. It's so, and they actually know, and now they are playing our role. They are educating girls of their area. They are motivating them. And we are literally receiving calls every day that this is the area they need the pads. This is the area they need this thing. So my one project got fixed that yes, we want to educate the girls in this field as much as we can and trying to approach all the outskirts, remote areas of Ahmedabad and Gujarat district.
तो ये सब की शुरुआत कैसे हुई? मतलब क्या आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या है आशिता? How did you get into opening up this kind of an organization? आपने वो तो बताया कि इसकी शुरुआत कैसे हुई और कैसे आप यहाँ तक आए, मगर उसके पहले की स्टोरी क्या है? उसके पहले का आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या है? इस मुकाम तक आप कैसे पहुंची?
Okay, I'll just inform about my background. We are three sisters. My father was working with Bank of Baroda. My mom was vice principal in a school. My elder sister was also vice principal in a school. Right now, she's a yoga instructor. My younger sister is at vice president position in a corporate in Mumbai. And I had worked with marketing in different corporates at different levels because I used to explore different areas. I have worked as an educator also, as a faculty also, as a marketing executive also, and I have worked as a child artist also. I would definitely mention that. Yes. I had worked as a child artist in Uttar Ramayana serial.
That's awesome. Lovely. So we have a child actor sitting with us right now.
Yeah, you can say so. But it was a beautiful memory of my childhood. I got opportunity to work with the director Ramanand Sagar, his son, Mr. Sagar, Deepika, Chikalia, and they were beautiful people by heart. I was in 10th grade. कुछ पता नहीं था दुनिया का क्या है क्या नहीं, बस एक था मैं टीवी में आई हूँ, मैं स्क्रीन पे आई हूँ.
तो वो चैप्टर कैसे शुरू हुआ? वो चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट बनना कैसे हुआ?
I used to take part in all cultural activities. I am good at dancing also. I love Garba. So one lady was there. She used to take us as a group, जहाँ पे हम कुछ competition में part लेते थे. So रामानंद सागर के टीम से किसी ने उनको अप्रोच किया था कि हमें थोड़े आर्टिस्ट चाहिए. एक्चुअली वो कॉल था इसलिए जो बैकग्राउंड में वॉक नहीं करते हैं, मेन सीन चल रहा है आश्रम का, बट पीछे लड़कियां वॉक कर रही है, तो लड़कियां उसके लिए उनको चाहिए थी. सो शी जस्ट शेयर्ड विद अस किसको आना है. तब I was in 9th grade, so we just talked to parents, and my parents have always given us freedom. We are 3 sisters, but कभी भी हमें रोक टोक नहीं दी है कि नहीं, you are a girl, आप नहीं कर सकते हो. Very clear aim was there कि हम आपको इतना एजुकेशन देंगे, आपको जॉब करवाएंगे, आपको एक्सपीरियंस करवाएंगे कि फ्यूचर में आप किसी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट नहीं रहोगे. You can earn your own living, you can earn your own bread. Maybe ये थॉट मुझे उनसे आया है कि लोगों को इंडिपेंडेंट कराना चाहिए. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड सी वी ऑल 3 आर इंडिपेंडेंट, वी आर सेट इन आवर करियर, वी आर टचवुड, वी आर हैप्पी इन आवर लाइफ, एंड वी आर हेल्पिंग अदर्स टू.
So spreading happiness in so many lives, Ashita.
Yes dear. And my parents said, yes, go, you're getting the opportunity, why not, go explore. I just went that lady, हम लोग गए, I and my elder sister, and we were sitting और ऐसे just chit chat हो रही थी, and they explained us the short next day. और मेरा जो कैरेक्टर था उसकी जगह पे कोई और आर्टिस्ट थी जो मुंबई से आने वाली थी. अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसके लिए वो नहीं आए, फॉर्चुनेटली मेरे लिए कि वो नहीं आए. ओके, शी वाज नॉट देयर, और किसी को फिल अप द गैप करना था. सो दे वर डिस्कसिंग कि यार कौन करे, एंड आई वाज जस्ट स्टेयरिंग एट देम. सो आई डोंट नो, समहाउ रामानंद सागर जी, he looked at me and he just did like this. And I just went. I was like, tomboy in my school days. I just went. He said, try करेगी? So I said, हाँ sir, क्यों नहीं? Why not? तो बोलते ठीक है, चल एक डायलॉग देता हूँ. So he gave me one line. And I said, because I used to take part in dramatics also during my school days. So I was like, okay, बोल दिया. So he said, ठीक है, अभी जो डायलॉग दे रहा हूँ वो बोल. And that was with Sita. When Sita used to come ashram, when after her vanvas, I used to run and I used to say, suno, suno, Vandevi aayi hai, Vandevi aayi hai. I still remember those lines. That, अरे सुनीता, अरे गीता, अरे कहाँ हो सब लोग, आप प्लीज आओ, देखो वनदेवी आई है, वनदेवी आई है, आप स्वागत करो उनका. And I just said, and he said, okay, done. He said, इसको ले लो. And the lady who actually took me, she was taken by surprise. She said, यार सिर्फ वॉक करने आई थी, इसको तो रोल मिल गया. और क्या था, उनके साथ उनकी बेटी भी थी, तो थोड़ा होता है ना, मेरी बेटे को नहीं मिला, इसको मिल गया. सो इट वाज लाइक दैट. शी सेड, नहीं चलो आशिता, आई एम हैप्पी कि चलो तूने अपने ग्रुप का नाम रख लिया. एंड अवनी, व्हाट हैपेंड, गेट स्टार्टेड ओपनिंग. आफ्टर मी दे टुक अनदर girl. My elder sister was also selected. My younger sister was also selected. My mom also got chance in Uttara.
Oh wow, पूरी फैमिली आर्टिस्ट है.
And two
आप कह सकते हैं हम आते हैं एक बैकग्राउंड से जहाँ हम सभी एक्टर्स थे.
yes. और पूरे 2 एपिसोड्स मेरे पे किए गए थे. And I had worked very closely with Deepika Chikhalia. And it was, they said those were the days. I used to enjoy. After the shoot, we used to just go on the beach. We used to play with them. We used to sit with them. We used to play that game Dum Shiraz. बहुत खेला है, पूरी रात खेलते थे हम लोग. नेक्स्ट डे शूट होता था, तैयार होते थे, और वो आई वाज हैविंग अ फीलिंग सेलिब्रिटी के यस बॉस मैं हूँ. हाँ, वो स्पॉट बॉय आ जाता था, उसको थोड़ा टच अप करता था और पूछता था मैम कुछ पियोगे आप, तो आई वाज लाइक अरे बॉस क्या बात है. एंड माय पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज से कि कुछ भी हो, ऑलवेज बी ग्राउंडेड, नेवर एवर फील योरसेल्फ कि आई एम समथिंग. हमेशा ग्राउंडेड रहना, तो ही आप सक्सेस को डाइजेस्ट कर पाओगे. तो आई वॉज नॉट दैट मैच्योर, तो एक थोड़ी फीलिंग आ जाती थी कि हाँ यार मैं हूँ. बट नाउ आई रियलाइज द वर्डिंग्स ऑफ माई पेरेंट्स कि कुछ भी हो, ऑलवेज नेवर फॉरगेट योर रूट्स, ऑलवेज ग्राउंडेड रहना. जो भी है टेम्परेरी है, बट आपका जो नेचर, आपका अप्रोच, आपका एटीट्यूड परमानेंट रहेगा इन पीपल्स माइंड. सो दिस इज हाउ, दिस इज माई फैमिली बैकग्राउंड. एंड
तो फिर ये हुआ कैसे, फिर आगे आपने और कोई मूवीज में या शोज में एक्ट किया?
देन आफ्टर उत्तर रामायण दे ऑफर्ड मी कृष्णा सीरियल. उसके बाद इमीडिएट कृष्णा सीरियल आई थी, बट तब मैं 10th में आ चुकी थी. आई वाज इन 10th ग्रेड, और अपने टाइम पे बोर्ड, गॉट इट, वो एक हवा था, अरे नहीं बोर्ड में है. So my parents said that if you want to go, you go, but then you have to, compensate whatever is missed out and just see, because उमरगांव में वहां पे शूटिंग होती थी. एंड आई यूज्ड टू स्टे इन वलसाड ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. मेरी स्कूलिंग वलसाड से हुई है, सो आई वाज इन वलसाड. तो वहां से आना जाना, एंड यस एक चीज थी, आप वहां पे जाओगे 15 दिन आपके पक्के आपके गए, 15 डेज आपको मान के ही चलना है कि आप नहीं पढ़ पाओगे ना आप स्कूल अटेंड कर पाओगे। सो उस टाइम पे भी हमने स्कूल में भी बात की थी, सो दे सेड के इट्स ऑन यू, इफ यू वांट टू टेक रिस्क यू टेक रिस्क। सो यू नो एज पेरेंट्स आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, सो इवन आई थॉट कि चल ठीक है यार, एक शौक था कर लिया, स्क्रीन के सामने आ गए, एक फीलिंग आ गई सेलिब्रिटी है, क्या होता है, व्हाट एक्चुअली शूटिंग इज, नॉलेज मिल गई बहुत है, इट्स ओके। सो आई स्टॉप्ड ओवर देयर ओनली। They approached us, definitely they approached us, and फिर भी उनकी रिस्पेक्ट रखने के लिए I have worked in one episode of Krishna also. मैंने किया। I did that. And coming back to how we started this, I and my 4 friends, we were sitting, and one of my friend, her name is Varsha Majetia, she had a dream कि कुछ करना है, because she used to attend so many events, वो जाते थे देखते थे, वो मुझसे शेयर सब कुछ करते थे, because her son and my son had done schooling together, and we are having relation since last 15 years, so we are like very very close pals, bahut we are very close pals, and what I think she understands, what she thinks I understand, so it is that. So I said okay fine, but I was working during that time as a center head of a school, so I was not able to give my 100% to this project, so you know I was in little like हाँ करते हैं या विल सी, एंड शी सेड यार आज नहीं करेंगे तो कब करेंगे, आई नीड योर सपोर्ट, आई नीड योर हेल्प प्लीज। सो आई सेड फाइन, और उसके साथ हमारे दूसरे भी 2 थे, आई विल डेफिनेटली लाइक टू गिव देयर नेम्स आल्सो, मनीषा ठक्कर एंड पौलोमी चौहान। वी आर 4 फ्रेंड्स हु आर एक्चुअली रनिंग द शो, एंड वी हैड अ मीटिंग, हम चारों मिले। आई वाज नॉट नोइंग मनीषा, आई वाज नॉट नोइंग पौलोमी इधर, आई वाज ओनली नोइंग वर्षा, and she introduced us. The only thing was that हमारे सबकी सोच एक थी, and that is where we clicked. वहां पे हमारा क्लिक हो चुका, and then we started as per our caliber. अच्छा आपका ये अच्छा है मैनेजमेंट, आप ये प्रोफाइल ले लो, you are good in accounts, you handle this, you are good in media, you go for this, and mutually they said ना कि things started falling in place, and we just thought कि चलो let us start, एक अनाउंसमेंट करते हैं, देखते हैं कितने लोग जुड़ते हैं। हमने अनाउंस किया अपने ग्रुप में, वी स्टार्टेड, एंड ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट डे 27 मेंबर्स उसी दिन हमारे मेंबर्स बन गए बीइंग वुमन के। वी स्टार्टेड द 27, राइट नाउ वी आर 65, एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी दैट जो भी आ रहे हैं उनको कुछ करना है, बस यही है। अग्नि व्हाट हैपेंस ना दैट मेनी पीपल वांट्स टू डू समथिंग फॉर सोशल वर्क, बट इंडिपेंडेंटली करना इज नॉट दैट इजी। दे वांट टू जॉइन अ ग्रुप, they want to join a group जो already करता है, and they want to be part of that. And we are also looking forward for such kind of support that we have started this group. Now boss, we want the remaining compartments to run the engine. It is in that way कि compartment जुड़ रहे और हमारी ट्रेन लंबी बन रही है,
और ट्रेन दौड़ रही है,
yes, ये और दौड़ेगी। I'll tell you, when we got the idea of converting our simple organization, simple group into charitable trust. In the lockdown, we used to see that many daily wagers were not able to feed themselves. Everything was shut down. And we received 2-3 messages from NGOs that we are distributing foods in these areas, so please help us. किसी ने पराठे बनाए, किसी ने रोटियां बनाए, किसी ने खिचड़ी बनाए, तो we also used to do it, and we used to hand over that person कि लीजिए ये हमारी तरफ से लीजिए। Then we thought कि हम खुद क्यों नहीं कर रही है, why we are not doing this? So we started digging out the things, तो हमें पता चला कि ये जो registered trust होता है उसी को allowed है in the lockdown, क्योंकि वो लोग कर्फ्यू का पास देते हैं, and we were not registered trust. So immediately on the spot, we decided, come what may, we want to go for all the formalities to come under government norms. And bus we started, and within 4 months, we were being Women Charitable Registered Trust. So this is how a simple group, simple organization who just started for the sake of doing social work, you know, करना है कुछ, but now क्यों करना है, that is clear.
एक बात बहुत अच्छी लगी आशिता आपकी, जैसे आपने बताया कि एक चीज से आपने शुरुआत करी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग रेन्स, उससे
Yes.
आपने पता लगाया कि कौन सी दूसरी चीजें हैं जो लोगों को जरूरत होती है, and from there on you started helping them in different ways. uh, you mentioned you've helped so many young girls. Is it just through one of your objectives of providing them the right education about hygiene, or is there anything else more than that, or in addition to that, are you doing for them?
Yes, this is just one of them. My second project and most important project, which is actually fulfilling our goal of women empowerment, that is giving them parlor training course. This parlor course is of 3 months, and we used to figure it out that who is in need of this. See, basically all those girls, they have tremendous talent. You won't believe. Those talent needs to be highlighted. उसको बाहर निकालना है. Because we have seen कि जो लड़की पार्लर सीखने आ रही है वो मेहंदी भी ब्यूटीफुली लगा रही है, वो गाना भी बहुत सुंदर गा रही है. So they are a surprise package actually. But यही है, उनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिल रहा है. They are not getting the right, position, या फिर आप जो भी बोलो, उनको कोई हाथ पकड़ने वाला नहीं मिल रहा है. So we also came to know कि अच्छा इसको ये भी आता है, अच्छा इसको ये भी आता है, क्या बात है. Got it in that way कि भाई बाहर निकलो तो बहुत टैलेंट है, एक नजर होनी चाहिए उसको पहचानने की. It is that way. So we started parlor course with just 5 girls. 5 लड़कियों से शुरुआत की. And I'm very happy to inform you that this training is given by none other but my Being Woman members themselves. I'm having all beautician in my group who are having their salons, and they all are very renowned in Ahmedabad. And they said that, ma'am, we are with you. We will take the lead, or ये activity you can just name it in our name. तो हमने ये किया shaping the career. इसको हमने नाम दिया shaping the career, कि हम किसी का career shape करने की try कर रहे हैं. So we started with 5. Right now we are 75 girls. 75
Lovely.
girls are getting trained under Being Woman, and in different areas of Ahmedabad, Satellite, Science City, Jodhpur, and Khatraj village. I'll just tell you that we have actually adopted Khatraj village in all respects. In Khatraj is around 25 minutes away from Ahmedabad, from highway I can say. So one of my member, she said, ma'am, it's okay. अगर लड़कियां इधर नहीं आ पाएगी मैं वहां जाऊंगी. एंड अवनी, दिस इज द पिक सीजन ऑफ हर्स. वेडिंग्स भी है, दिवाली भी है. स्टिल शी एंश्योर्स कि जो भी हमने टाइम डिसाइड किया है, शी इज देयर इन खातरज. वहां से हमें पता चला बिफोर 1 month बैक दैट दे वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश.
Alright.
Yes, so this is, I'm telling you how dots are getting connected.
Exactly. Yeah.
So we said, okay, चलो किसको इंग्लिश लर्न करना है. And day before yesterday when we were in Khatraj, 12 girls registered their name that मैम कुछ भी हो जाए हम सीखेंगे. आप जब भी बोलोगे हम ऑनलाइन आ जाएंगे, आप जब भी बोलोगे हम ऑफलाइन आपके घर आ जाएंगे, बट हमें इंग्लिश सीखना है. Some were in 10th standard, some had left the studies क्योंकि घर से अलाउड नहीं था, but they want to learn English. So we just discussed with principal sir of Khatraj school, and he is supporting us, and he has always supported us from the day one.
You truly are shaping their future.
Yes, and we ensure that these girls, after the training, 3 months training is there, it's free of cost, because we don't want that वो पैसे के burden की वजह से वो लोग training में registered ना हो. As soon as you say ना it's free, they are super excited. कि oh yes, that we used to always say free है but exam होगी. After exams, if you are clear, then we will give certificate to you. And after certificate, we will be giving you beauty kit. पूरी beauty kit अपनी हम लोग देते हैं उनको ताकि उनका काम अटक ना जाए. So my members started giving orders to them. And now they have started receiving orders from customers who are not members of Being Woman. So this is what we have achieved. This is what we have achieved. This is parlor course. From parlor course, we are going to start stitching course from 1st of December. Because when we were in Khatraj, few ladies approached us કે બેન અમારે સ્ટીચિંગ કરવું છે, પાર્લર નહીં, અમને સ્ટીચિંગ કરાવો. So we were so happy. We were actually planning for stitching, and people started approaching. They say na ki If your intentions are good, if your intentions are clear, universe helps him. So we used to just sit, we used to just sit, and opportunity knocks our door. And at that time, we don't wait, khole ke na khole. We open it. Yes, boss, take it. Jo hoga dekha jayega. And another example of connecting the dots. After the lunch was over, we did tata bye-bye. We were just sitting in the car and I just saw a small girl studying in 5th grade. She was teaching children who were in the age of 3, 4 years, 5 years. And I was just looking at her and she just smiled at me. I get down from the car. I approached that girl. I said, "Beta, kya kar rahe ho?" She said, "मैं tuition करती हूँ." I said, "आप tuition सिखाते हो?" She said, "Yes." I said, "कब सिखाते हो?" She said, "After the school." I said, "अच्छा, आपकी school कब खत्म होती है?" She said, "मैं 2 વાગ્યા પછી छूटी जाए, પછી घरे जाऊं, खाऊं पीऊं, मानी घर पे जाती हूँ, खा पी लेती हूँ, फिर मैं यहाँ पे बच्चों को पढ़ाने आती हूँ." I was like, I didn't have a single word to express myself. Then I said, "Okay." I said, "Who gave you this idea?" He said, "No, I just saw that they are wasting their time. They are just running here and there. And I wanted एमने संस्कार सारा मळे." See, this thought came in a 9-year-old girl कि संस्कार बेन सारा पड़े अने ए लोको कई भणे तो मुझे जो भी आता है मैं उनको सिखाती हूँ. And immediately I said, "चलो, tell me what you want. आपको क्या हेल्प चाहिए?" And she said, "मने खबर छे आप आते हो यहाँ पे, आप सबकी हेल्प करते हो, मेरी भी हेल्प करोगे, मुझे स्केच पेन्स लाके दो." I was so happy that this girl is so confident about us कि हम हेल्प करेंगे उसकी. I said, "You give me the list. Whatever you want, I will definitely give it to you." And I just saw that she's using a small board. So we decided, my team decided that we will give her a big board. बड़ा सा board लेके जाएंगे with everything, all stationaries for the children and for her also, and we will actually honor her. She deserves this. She deserves this. So this is how we thought के एक के बाद एक कड़ियाँ जोड़ती जाती है. And that is why, we are coming up with night school. ये thought आया हमें night school, ma'am. Yes. Maybe it will take 2-3 months time because it's a big project, but we are going to start and I will message you on the day when it will be the first night for my students. That's a promise from Big Woman to you.
Zarur karna. I'll wait for that message and I'll wait for that time. And I know that it's going to happen soon.
Yes, definitely. We have
truly, Aashita, आप एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. कई बार कुछ डोनेट करने से उनकी हेल्प तो हो जाती है लोगों की, बट द थिंग्स दैट यू आर आल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग देम एजुकेशन व्हिच गोज लॉन्ग वे. और अब वो दूसरों को एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं एंड यू आर मेकिंग देम इंडिपेंडेंट.
Yes, that is what actually we are looking forward to.
Yeah, that's a big thing too. किसी को कुछ दे दिया, मगर इस तरीके की चीजें देनी, उनको इंडिपेंडेंट बनाना, overall उनकी grooming करना, that makes a very big difference in their lives, and being woman is doing that.
So it is in this way, and yes, we are providing surgical equipments also, अवनी, क्योंकि कोविड में हमने ये भी देखा कि बहुत लोग financially they had suffered a lot because medical bills whenever they used to pay, वहाँ पे कोई bargaining नहीं होता है, वहाँ पे कोई concession नहीं होता है. Whatever you get in front of you, you have to pay that. And we actually realized that this is again very expensive for a person. Even if they rent a walker, they are paying 250 or 300 rupees per day. If they rent oxygen concentrator, they are paying 700 rupees per day. You just imagine where they will land. So again, it clicked. Boss, surgical items le aate hain. Let us give them free. Free mein do, why to charge it? We are helping somebody to recover. So we started this. So many members from my group, from Being Woman, they donated. Ma'am, chahiye na? Chalo walker meri taraf se. Ma'am, what you want? Wheelchair? Chalo meri taraf se. And this is how we are having 6 wheelchairs, 8 walkers, 2 beds, surgical beds, and 2 oxygen concentrator. ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर हमें डोनेशन में मिले हैं, लुकिंग टू आवर वर्क. And I will tell you, somebody from US has connected to a person from Bhavnagar, and that person has approached us, and the person from Bhavnagar, he called us and he said, I want to donate this oxygen concentrator to Being Woman. And this is how we got it, and this machine has saved 3 lives. जब से हमारे पास आया है, we have given them 3 जिंदगियां बची है. अवनी, what more we want यार, what more we want.
That is true. और आपने ये प्लेटफॉर्म जो हर किसी के लिए प्रोवाइड किया है, जैसे आपने बताया, काफी लोग करना चाहते हैं, डोनेशंस करना चाहते हैं, हेल्प करना चाहते हैं लोगों की. So this is a very good and a right platform where you can actually help people, the needy people. और ऐसे situations में ऐसी चीजें की availability होना, that truly saves lives. So wonderful platform you have created, Ashita. और absolutely आपका जो ये organization है वो बिल्कुल तेजी से दौड़ रहा है और दौड़ता ही रहेगा. I'll wait for your message जो night school की आपने बात करी, उसकी शुरुआत होने पर.
Absolutely, yes.
All the very best for all that, Ashita.
Thank you so much.
And real quick before we go, we would love to know your message for all the mothers. आप भी एक माँ का ही काम कर रहे हैं, इतने लोगों को ग्रूम करना, उनको जॉब दिलाना, उनको एजुकेशन देना. आप एक की माँ नहीं है, आप बहुत सौ की माँ हैं. So what would be your message for all the other mothers?
My message to all the mother is that step outside of your house. आप सिर्फ नजर घुमाइए, आपको ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे मिलेंगे जिसको आपकी हेल्प की जरूरत है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप फाइनेंशियली हेल्प करो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप उसको किसी और तरीके से हेल्प करो, बट यस, प्लीज अप्रोच सम एनजीओ जो ये ऑलरेडी काम कर रहा है और उसको आप बस यहाँ तक का रास्ता दिखा दो. इतना करोगे, देन ऑल्सो आई टेल यू आर एक्चुअली फुलफिलिंग अ मदर्स ड्यूटी. It's very, very important. And as a mother, if you're doing this work, this will definitely give impact on your children. आपके बच्चे भी देखेंगे कि नहीं, mama is helping somebody, mama is doing something for the society, and this will give a very powerful impact on your child, and automatically your child is going to follow your footsteps. तो किसी के लिए नहीं, but अपने बच्चों के लिए करो. Set an example for your child. It's very, very important. So my only message, as a woman, we can do wonders, and as a mother, we can actually do miracles. So please, absolutely. I request everybody, each and every mother, please be mother to others also, and just give a call to any NGO. I can provide our information also. Give a call to us, and Being Woman will be at their doorsteps. This is a promise from a mother to another mother, for somebody else's mother. Thank you so much.
Beautifully said, Ashita. It was an absolute pleasure to sit down with you and have this lovely, lovely chat. आपकी पूरी journey से वाकिफ कराने के लिए thank you. आप बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं पूरी दुनिया के लिए, I would say. And that means a lot. That means a lot to them. That means a lot to the human race. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Avni, for inviting me and actually allowing me to share my thoughts, share my experience, so that even others can get inspired from this. Thank you once again. Thanks a lot to you.
My pleasure.
Hi, this is Avni from Moms Talk. Help me spread the word and join me on my mission of motivating other moms by sharing the video. Thank you for watching.